Today, let's dive into one of the most impressive security technologies out there, facial recognition cameras. What exactly are these and how can they benefit your business or organization? Facial recognition cameras are advanced security devices that use artificial intelligence to identify and verify people based purely on facial features. Here's how they work. First, the camera detects a face in its field of view. Then, it analyzes unique facial details, such as the spacing between your eyes, the shape of your nose, or even your jawline, to create what's known as a face print. Finally, it instantly compares this face print against a database of known faces to identify or verify the person. So, why is this technology so beneficial? First up, security. Facial recognition cameras immediately alert security personnel if a known, unwanted individual steps onto your property, significantly reducing risk and reaction times. Another great application is access control. No need for keys or badges. Authorized people can simply walk up to the door, and the system recognizes their face and grants entry automatically. It's quick, seamless, and incredibly secure. Retail businesses also love facial recognition because it can spot repeat offenders or banned individuals the moment they enter the store. On the flip side, businesses can recognize loyal customers and personalize their experiences, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Educational institutes, corporate offices, healthcare facilities, and even large public venues such as airports and stadiums are leveraging facial recognition for improved security, quicker entry processes, attendance management, and enhanced visitor experiences. Additionally, facial recognition can dramatically speed up incident response times. If something happens on your property, these systems can quickly and accurately identify suspects or involved individuals, greatly aiding investigation efforts. Bottom line, facial recognition cameras boost your security, enhance operational efficiency, and improve your overall service delivery, making your location safer and smarter. Are you ready to explore how facial recognition can elevate your security strategy? Head over to 210solutions.com, fill out the contact form, and our team of experts will reach out to you promptly. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.